This is all from a wheel horse. I don't know what somebody did to it. They welded some brackets or something on it. Looks like they went to use it for something else. Looks like they welded some pipes in here too, on both sides. I have no idea. Then they got like some kind of a handle back here. They welded right on there, which is, I don't know, stupid if you ask me, but you see that works good. That's really smooth. It's been in storage for quite a while. You can see it says wheel horse right there. I don't see no serial number or anything on this anywhere. This is probably on the cast. I don't see nothing on that side or that side. But the tines don't look bad at all across it. Like I said, it's been in storage a long time. But anyways, that's about the best description I can give you of it. I don't see anything at all wrong with the tines. I think they had it. Actually, I think they had it hooked up to the back of this, because I got both of these together with that deck. This is a Jacobsen. I don't know what horse engine that is. But it's all been in storage. This engine. Here's the hood that was on that Jacobsen. It's an awful long hood. It says GT10. He said it was, I thought he said it was a 10 horse, but that engine looks pretty big to be a 10. I know that thing's pretty big. Wow. I might end up parting this out. Especially if this works. Well, I know we rolled it off the thing and it moved. Yeah. So obviously it turns. I have to check that tranny though. But as for this deck, I don't know nothing about it. I'm probably going to sell all this stuff as is. Now this one's nice. So does that one. That one right there feels like it might have some play in it. It looks like it's the bearing though. It's got one roller on it. That one doesn't have. It's got 3 of the center pulleys on it. Rollers in the back. Of course, there's a lid that goes to it. I don't know if I'll let that lid go with it. I might ship that one. All the smaller parts I'll ship. Just all this larger stuff I'm not going to mess with. He said he put Sears tires on it. But I know we rolled it off the trailer. But I don't know much about these things. Anyways, possible valves. Maybe there's something wrong with the valves in that engine. I didn't check the oil or anything. It doesn't look like this has ever been off, so I better be careful I don't want to get no dirt in it. Well, it looks like it's got a dab of good clean oil on the end, but I don't see no other oil in it. So that engine might not be no good, I don't know. I think that's about it though.